Cool, so one of the things we also have to check when we do this is obviously safety for the drones. So I'm looking for trees, power lines, towers, anything else along those lines. One of the main things that we really have to watch for though is the FAA regulations. So on my phone, I have an airspace management app. So it'll tell me if I'm allowed to fly in certain areas. I'll ask for immediate requests of airspace utilization. We're here in Fort Smith, so we have the airport pretty close, but there's automatic approvals to a certain height that I can go here and ask for, but if I can't, I'll go through and request it, and it'll give me my rules or tell me, hey, you flat out cannot fly here, but what my limitations are. So it's definitely better than what it used to be back in the day. So what I do is I do that. I do my pre-checks, which I've already done in the physical drone. I'm doing everything here. And look, we're already connected. So a lot of times it'll ask me to calibrate the compass. It'll ask me to calibrate this and that. I do it every other time. Yeah, so you have the ready to go GPS. You have a lot of return to home stuff. Because see, that's yellow right there. That means I had to go through here and request airspace utilization. So I'm in this blue area, which is Class D airspace controlled by Fort Smith. When you get closer, it's Class B. So I'm going to skip that. I'll go to LAANC. Go commercial. I'm not going to go higher than 200 feet. Screw it. We'll go 300. Just for how long. It'll ask me for how long. 2 hours right now. It's perfect. Loads. Eligible for auto approval. Go to next. Agree and submit. And we're good to go. Request approval. So you already got a text and an email. So I know I'm good. Anybody ever ask me a question about, are you approved? Yes, I am.